Hey my cookies, it's been a minute since we've done an unboxing, so my friends over at the Cajun Crate sent us their July subscription box, so let's crack this baby open. The Cajun Crate is a subscription service that sends out boxes monthly full of goodies from Louisiana based companies. First thing you see when you open the box is the product guide. And Cajun Crate has got real fancy now, guys, because we have a QR code. All you do is scan the little code there on your phone, and the online guide will pop up and detail each item inside of the box. This month, every item included in the box is from a Baton Rouge based company, and they give you this cute little Visit Baton Rouge sign as well as a postcard. Now let's get into the good stuff, starting with Mimi's Pralines. Y'all, I think pralines should be the state candy of Louisiana, and I haven't tried Mimi's, but it's pralines, so I know it's good. Here we have a bisque mix, and on the packaging it says we don't hide in a box. Shade! Y'all better be good. I'm definitely gonna try this because I love soup. And the packaging instructions said that it's pretty easy to make, so we'll be trying this out very soon. Next up, we have some good old barbecue rub. JD's spicy and sweet barbecue rub, and it says that it works brilliantly on anything from chickens to ribs to pulled pork brisket and even red beans and rice. This one I'm really eager to try. It's a salad dressing, and it said it can also be used as a marinade, and it has Romano cheese, lemon, and garlic. That sounds delicious, and I love the coloring. Great packaging. Here we have some good old River Road coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker, but it says that it has a luscious, chocolatey, and smoky taste. So I'm excited to just smell this stuff. I love the smell of coffee. Oh, what's next, child? This feels like Christmas. The Cajun Spoon, the jambalaya mix. I love the Cajun Spoon brand. Not only are their mixes delicious, but their owners are sweethearts. And for every box that you buy, they donate a portion of the proceeds to charity. Great people and great mixes. Oh, we got some Cobbler mix, another one of my favorite brands, Louisiana products. Oh man, everything is good. Their fish fries, this stuff, like I love this brand. And this cobbler mix, I probably will give to my mama because y'all, she don't like to make her own cobbler. All these recipes I try to teach y'all, and my own mama grabs this, but ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay, this is a shortcut and it can be used for other things other than cobbler, so get real creative with this stuff. And last but certainly not least, these Mama Rules Originals. My God, this candy, y'all, it's so doggone good. I can't even describe it. It's like white chocolate with pecans. It's creamy. It's sweet with a little bit of salt. Oh, child, don't let me eat the whole container. But special thanks to the Cajun Crate for this awesome Baton Rouge box. And they were also nice enough to give me an extra box to give to one of you, my cookies. So also look in that description box for giveaway instructions. Again, thank you, Cajun Crate, and thank you to my beloved cookies. Have I told you lately that I love you guys? Because I really do. I really appreciate all over 50K of you. My God, we have grown. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this. Enter this giveaway. Until next time, be blessed.